Now we have to run. We have to see the sunrise. Okay. Now we want to see the sunrise here in Pondicherry Beach. Okay. Now we are reached here in this place to. Wow, we can see this the beach. I will show you. Okay. Kanya pinili kanika. Auditorium. Hi, good morning baru lagi para lok matagas. Setiap ada nane po Pondicherry Beach. Kepada nane po Pondicherry. Baik ni lah banyak i kan dekat auditorium ke internet. Hi guys. Hello. Hey. Baik ni. Kita dah cakap baik internet. What a beautiful place. Beautiful place.
Marina Beach.
Hi. Hello.
Waiting to see the sunrise.
Yes. Ke Padang Api ke sini. Good. You got it. Come on. Very nice. Sini lah. Bro, itu dulu.
Many first time experience.
Jadi apa yang kata Iwan ke sini, ke sini. Ngaru kita pula kali-kali kasih pada tolong kalau jangan ngaru. Baik. Sudah bisa kau? Wow. Okey. Datang di Pino. Sini ya, wow. Bye. Samuel, click one photo for me. Kulai di baru lagi di China mentah. Kulai. Ini di Bankia. Ini di Bahet. Si. Ibanjel. Renor. Jenny. So many different lifestyle. Yeah, different place, different people. Yes. Hi. They are handsome. Okay. We'll go back. Hi, Mada.
Hi.
Hello.
Let's go for our.
Let's go.
Yes. Thank you so much for taking
Thank you so
us
much for
here.
that.
Yeah, it's a wonderful day for us today.
Wonderful morning. Yeah.
Which class are you?
I'm here for tourists.
We have some program.
We have some program.
You are from which class? Which grade you are?
Which class you are studying?
I'm from grade 6.
Grade 6.
Grade 6.
Okay. Grade 6 means
6 standard.
600.
Class 6.
Class 6. Okay. All the best for your study.
Thank you.
Okay. This is your mom?
Yeah.
Okay. Nice to meet you.
Thank you so
Nice
much.
to meet you.